Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create an invoice on Toggl. Toggl is one of the best time tracking software around, and it is perfect for freelancers or anyone that does remote work. Now to get started, you're going to create your account on Toggl, and you can do this for free by tapping on Start Tracking for free. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to your Toggl dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you'll be redirected automatically to the calendar or the timer page. And now what I want you to do is you can tap on the plus in the top right hand corner and you can tap on add time entry. And from there, for example, you could tap on create goal and you could create your goal name. So for example, let's say your task is to create a thumbnail image. You could type in that right there. You can also tap on track and you could create different tasks. You can also select billable hours. Another way how you can also use Toggl is by going over to the left hand menu option. You can see different options that you have right here. And what I would like to do is, or what I like to do better yet, I can tap on billable rates. And from here, you can add in your billable rates. So that means you can add in the amount that you charge per hour right here. You could add that in. If it is a case that you're working with numerous freelancers, you could also add in the freelancer's email address and you can also add in the rate that they normally charge. So you can set up your different members right there. You can also tap on projects from the left hand column and from here you could tap on new project in the top right hand column. After doing that, you could create your project name. So again, if you have a certain task, let's say to create a YouTube video, you could type in that as a project name for example sake. So let's do that. Then you'll tap on create project. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on play. Then from there, you can tap on time tracking and you'll be able to see the total amount of hours they took to do this and all of that. Now we're going to tap on timer in the top left hand column once more. Then from there, you can select the date and the time when you're going to start doing it. Then after doing that, you can select add project. And let's say my project will be YouTube. And I'm just going to tap on add. Or I could select start timer and I could start the timer. Once you have done that, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select report. Once you have selected report, you will see the different projects and the amount of time that you have spent on a project. After doing that, you're going to select the project that you would like to create an invoice on, and you're going to tap on create invoice in the top right hand column. Once you have tapped on create invoice, you can add better yet an invoice ID. So I'm just going to be adding 123. You can add in the invoice date. You can also add in the due date. And once you have done that, you can add purchase order number if you want, and you can also add the payment terms. Scrolling down, you can add the billable address and the pay to address. You can also set your currency, and from there you can also add a description of the service right here, and you can set the amount that you would like to charge. So let's say for example $100. We could type that in right there, and you can also choose that you'd like to add tax. After doing all of this, you can tap on download and save. And by the way, you could add in your company logo right there. After selecting download and save, you will be able to share it whether via email or whichever social media platform. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.